Hey guys, so today I just wanted to show you the mod that I've done most recently, and it's just something I've done on my own back. This is not a kit, this is not something you can buy off the shelf. I don't know of any tutorials just yet, but essentially we're just doing this guy here, that one right there. So to do this, you've got everything you already need. This bracket here actually sits in just behind here normally. So once you take off the side cover, you'll see the bracket. You can undo the clips, the plugs, etc, etc. I cut mine just here. Oh wait, sorry, it's hard to see in the picture, but I cut it just here essentially. So it's basically like an L curved bracket. I've then folded it in to be like an L shape, or 90 degree I should say, but in the opposite direction. Now I know this is actually backwards. I kind of prefer it that way, so no hating. Overall difficulty was probably maybe, I don't know, a 4 or 3 out of 10. It was really not hard. It really just frees up the back end. No reservoir. In fact, no nothing. It's really good. I like it. Being a learner's bike, can't carry passengers anyway, so it's kind of useless, and you get to shave off 1.2 kilos to go along with it. Now the wiring, so not the wiring, the tubing that you got for your brake line, this is very stiff. It's actually molded already. So to get it going good, to not have too much friction and not kink it, that's very important. You're gonna have to be twisting this. So you just release the little clamps that are on it, and then twist it around. You shouldn't have any too many issues. I'm having trouble just trying to find the thing. There we go. You can see it down there. So you just release those, twist it around. You can also do it up here as well to meet in the middle. But what you ideally want to have it looking like is this. I just did put a nice zip tie on there just to make sure it doesn't come into the suspension at all. But have a look. There we go, just follows through. Obviously have it in behind. Goes in along. And ta-da! Perfect. Overall, I rate it. A little bit more individuality. If you guys have any questions or you'd like to know more, feel free to just comment. I'm more than happy to help out. Cheers guys, bye.